Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat. Yeah, you're a mess. You're all sweaty or wet or something. Oh my goodness. Quit showing me your butt. So I saw you were out there working in the dinghy on the outboard.
Yeah, trying to solve that stalling out at idle problem, which is a big problem, but I think I got it held over till we get back. I got it held over till we get back to the States. I adjusted the idle screw. I found a way on the internet to check to see if your fuel pump is going bad, and I checked that, and I'm not sure the answer, but before I adjusted the idle screw, it was wanting to stall out, and I started pumping the bulb on the tank, and it did seem to keep it running, which would mean your fuel pump's going bad. But I'm not sure. So I mean, it wasn't stalling out at that moment anyway, so I don't know. But anyway, I'll tell the mechanic that when we get back to the States and have a full service done on it. But in the meantime, I adjusted the idle screw, and it seems to be running without stalling out. So
Good.
So at least we can keep using it until we get back to the States.
We're very happy and you were great help, so
Thank you. We are in Nassau, and my mom and sister just happened to have scheduled a cruise that has come into Nassau, and my mom doesn't know we're here. So we're going to get in our dinghy and go over to the side of the ship, and my sister's going to get my mom to look out the window, and we're going to be holding this sign and saying hi, and then we're going to go hopefully go have lunch with my mom and sister. So just kind of a surprise. We hope she'll think it's cool. It's not often you get to run into your family in foreign ports, so it's kind of unique. So we're going to go have fun with it.
don't let it die. Sign up. Uh-oh.
Where is it?
You turned it off?
No, it just died.
I'm not sure if that's her or not.
No, it's not. It's a guy.
Or are you talking about over here? I'm talking about up here.
I was talking about it. That guy just came out. I see two guys. I don't see Kate.
So we're too early. We didn't ask what floor they were on. Oh, it was all the way up there. She's in red.
Yes, you did. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing?
Filming you. Trying, but I missed it.
If we could meet
meet up with them there. Where are we
Mom,
going?
that's the whole intention.
Oh, you knew this was happening?
Yes. Oh my God.
That is so funny.
You kept saying that looks a lot like Ron and Marie. That could be Ron and Marie.
That's why you came straight up here. You're so funny. Stupid motor. So we've got a taxi to take us to lunch. We already have a restaurant picked out, and Ron is and our taxi driver is waiting for them to come down from the cruise ship.
Live a little, flip the page, give us some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting. Then came you. I thought I was what I told I thought
Figure out why you got in on this seat. Why are you driving it?
I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I was picking up the pieces of yesteryear's life, in over my head, trying to figure out. Just going through changes, where to begin, when a mountain moving revelation came marching in. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was.
Thanks for watching.